My dog, Dougie. Doing a Dougie. Okay, so the difficulties here. So, okay, here we go. Should I use the chair? Yeah, I think so. Okay. Yeah, the chair. Oh, okay. Woo! Go, girl. Come on, dance. Ready? Go. Good chair. Ready, ready, ready. Wait. Princess. Princess, right here, right here. Good girl. Okay. Wheelchair. Oh, she does it.